Guys, it's Anna and Rachel's just over there getting dressed because she, I don't know. But today we're going to be doing squishy battle. So I'm just going to be showing you the squishy that we're going to be doing squishy battle with. So we're going to be doing it with this cat, this sheep, this cat, and this is super duper slow rising. And then we have a corn in the tub. I can't remember if I showed the sheep, so I'm just going to show them. And the final two squishies are batch. I'm not going to open these, but they're these earbuds, and they're really, really squishy. So yeah, sorry about the background noises. So we picked out two squishies, so pick out one first. Pick out one. Okay, so I have this Eric corn, and here it is. So I've got like, my finger got jammed in the car, so it's like a bit sore, but yeah. You can see that it's extremely detailed. This is one of my favourite squishies. I'm just going to take it out. Whoop. Here it is. It has got a crack in it, which is downside, but it smells like actual corn on the cob, like roasted corn on the cob, so you can show it what it's not. Okay, now show them yours that you picked.
It's a cat with a bow tie on it, and it's really slow rising.
Which one do you think? But this one's licensed.
But this one's not.
So which one do you think?
Maybe this one?
Wait. We'll figure it out in a minute, guys. So guys, we decided to go with both. So let's go into the next. So the next one I have is this Putt Putt Zoo sheep.
And mine is a cat burger.
Let me squish it. These are both licensed. I have the medium Putt Putt Zoo sheep, by the way. So if you can see the licensing there is licensing. It's very faint though. Okay, so what do you think? Which one do you think?
This one, my burger, the burger.
What if we just do a draw?
Yeah.
And then the final two squishies, obviously, they get a free go. So we're just going to figure out what squishies we are going to get rid of.
I'm not getting rid of this squishy.
Wait, no. Okay. It's these two.
Now we need a battle that.
No, we don't. So, I'm not sure, guys. Comment down below which one you think. I think I'm going to have to go with the Eric corn. I'm so sorry. I still love you, though. It's just because you're really defective. Okay, put them back.
Wait, are those all of the ones you have?
Yes, sorry. I didn't bring all my squishy collection.
Why?
Because otherwise this video would be like 16 hours long. But thank you so much for watching, guys.
Bye.
Make sure you subscribe and like. Bye.